Hello everyone. So today for cooking class, we're going to be making some chocolate cupcakes. And I'm just going to be using a box and some Hershey's. But I will take you through the process. So let's see. So first of all, I'm putting on my gloves. I also already turned on my oven to 350. And let's get started. Okay, so the back of the box, we're just gonna be following the instructions that's on the back, except the only thing different that I'm gonna be doing is instead of water, I'm gonna be using milk. So they'll taste a little bit better. And there's another way to make them taste better instead of using the vegetable oil, because it calls for water, vegetable oil, and eggs. But instead of the vegetable oil, you can also use a stick of butter and it'll taste better if you wanted them.
Okay.
Okay, so first thing, I'm turning it down so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm just using Betty Crocker, and I'm, super moist triple chunk fudge. So they're gonna be super chocolatey, which is fine with me because I love chocolate. And now who doesn't like chocolate? I mean, some people don't like chocolate. And I love chocolate. Get this bag away. Okay, so two are, I don't want to make a mess. Full. There's little pieces of chocolate inside the batter. I didn't even read it, so I didn't know that, but good to know. So it's gonna be extra chocolatey, but there's little tiny Hershey, like mini Hershey kisses like things. Okay, so our box it says 1 1/4 cups of water. But like I said, instead of water, we're gonna be using milk. Got my measuring cup right here. Pretty sure everybody's made cupcakes before, but I think making the little exceptions for the water and the oil just make them taste a lot better. So we have, let's see, 1 1/4. I think that's good. And I'm gonna dump that in our bowl. And then next it says 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And if you wanted to make it just a little bit better, you can even melt. I think 1 stick of butter is 1/2 cup. But if you wanted to melt a stick of butter instead in replacement of the vegetable oil, it would even taste better. So we got our water and our oil in, and then it says 3 eggs. I have eggs. I'm doing my best without getting any shells in here because nobody wants crunchy cupcakes. I guess the proper way we would do it is to put them in a separate dish and then dump them in. But that's you.
Can I go ahead and say yes for Thursday and Friday? Because that's the office calling. Hey, Charles.
Okay. Our 3 eggs, and then we're just gonna mix this together using our hand mixer. if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk. Hand mixers are just easier. Put our
Yeah.
little attachments on and mix it up. Without making a mess.
Okay, I'm back.
Why did it mixer? You can't even.
Yeah.
Scrape the sides down. And then finish mixing. Right.
Oh.
Okay. Have that all mixed together. This is our batter. And now we're going to line our cupcake dishes or cupcake pans. I've heard that if you underneath your cupcake cups, if you put rice in there, they don't burn. Never tried it, but that's just what I've heard. Let me get all these put in here. Okay, and then they say so they don't overfill. You're supposed to fill it like 3/4 of the way. So probably like right here. I don't know. You can see. Right here about with frosting, but I'm gonna use a scooper. Hopefully it'll be about that amount.
That looked pretty cool.
Fill them all up. Hoping to get these in the oven because they have to bake for, it says 14 minutes. It says 14 to 19 minutes. So. The batter already smells good. Super chocolatey. When I'm gonna clean off all this extra chocolate I spilled everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven.
Mhm.
I'll do 15 to give it that extra minute. Okay, put on a new pair of gloves. And for the, where is it? The frosting. So on the frosting, I found out today that you're supposed to mix the frosting. Did anybody know that before you use it?
Yeah, I always mix it.
Anybody know? I didn't know that.
I gotta leave this time. Hey, Mom,
On the back, it says
I'm gonna
that
go.
you are
You're not done.
stir room temperature frosting. Never stirred it before. So I'm gonna use the mixer and I'm going to mix the frosting. And it says it makes it fluffy. We'll see. Let me rinse these real quick. I'm using Hershey's. That's chocolate. We're having chocolate on top of chocolate. Open this up. My bowl. Hi, Megan. Okay, got it all out. So I'm using the mixer again. See if it comes out fluffy. I've never tried it. It's supposed to add air bubbles when you're mixing it to make it fluffy and make it still. That's pretty fluffy. Not compared to when it came out. That's it. Mix it one last time. I'm gonna clean up a little bit so we can wait for the cupcakes. They still have 11 minutes, so hopefully they're done in time. You're supposed to let them cool before you frost them, but I might just have to frost one so you guys can see one. it for the mixing. But that's what it looks like. Fluffy. And we still have 10 minutes until these cupcakes are done. But I can line this other cupcake tin and wait, hold on. So is everybody ready for Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I am.
I'm ready. I'm ready to eat.
What are you doing for Thanksgiving, Vanessa?
I'm gonna visit family. Eat a lot of food. You know, all that fun stuff.
Don't get sick.
I know. Try not to.
No fun getting sick.
That's true.
Mama can make deviled eggs.
That's your favorite?
Deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs. I love deviled eggs.
That's gonna make the turkey.
Huh?
Mine. That's gonna make the turkey.
Oh, the turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah. We fried our turkey last year and it was pretty good.
Yeah. Are you cooking for Thanksgiving?
Am I what?
Cooking for Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I'll be cooking. I'll be cooking here at program and I have dishes to bring with my family. I'm making mac and cheese. My favorite is mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese.
My favorite is mac and cheese casserole.
Oh, yeah. Baked mac and cheese. Yummy.
Mac and cheese casserole.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's hecka good.
I agree.
My favorite, I like the cranberry sauce.
You what?
I like the cranberry sauce.
Oh, the cranberry sauce?
Yeah,
I never used
the
to
one that you pour
Yeah.
over your turkey.
Yeah, our cupcakes have 7 minutes. You guys know how to tell if the cupcake's done or not? Poke it with a toothpick. Okay, this is our other pan of cupcakes. So as soon as those other ones come out, we will put these in the oven. Yes, sir.
Good
Right.
job.
Huh?
You did a good job.
What?
A good job cooking.
Good job, thank you. No fires. We're gonna be safe in the kitchen this Thanksgiving, right, guys?
No. What?
I said we're gonna be safe in the kitchen this Thanksgiving.
Yeah, let's do safety.
Do some safety.
Yeah, cooking safety.
Okay, how about give me 2 safety tips in the kitchen? 2 things to be mindful of when you're cooking. Got any?
So, stay away from the stove.
Stay away from the stove.
Put the stove, the
Yeah,
top things on the side. Don't leave them out.
Keep your area clean.
keep the table up clean.
Yeah. The table clean. How about when I'm about to take out these cupcakes out of the oven? Am I just gonna use my bare hands?
No,
Gloves or mittens or whatever you want home.
The mittens, right?
Yeah.
Gotta use mittens because I don't want burnt fingers. And what else? How about loose clothing?
what?
How about loose clothing? Do we want to wear sleeves that are hanging down? Or jewelry that's hanging down everywhere?
No.
No,
Or do we want our hair up or down? A bad example right now because my hair is down, but should I have our hair up?
we want to wear sleeves down.
Huh?
We want to wear sleeves down.
Wear short sleeve shirts.
Yeah,
Or an apron in case you get splattered with
Yeah.
grease.
yeah.
All right, you have 3 minutes. I'm gonna poke one just to see. Gotta find me a toothpick. So the trick is if you poke it inside the cupcake and if it comes out clean, that means that they are done. So I'm gonna put my cup, one of them.
Oh, one more thing, Vanessa.
What?
We don't want to cut fire in the kitchen.
No. I learned that. Remember?
Yeah.
We don't want to cause a fire in the kitchen.
Yeah, we don't want to cause a fire. All right, so those ones are done. I'm gonna put
That
the
will
other
not
set
be
in.
good.
If there is a fire, what do you do?
You have to you have to open the door and get out of the way.
Get out of the way. You don't want to put the fire out safely.
Yeah. Get out the door right away.
Yeah. Okay. Well, my cupcakes are done. I'm gonna put them on this rack so they can cool because when you leave them in the pans, they still cook.
It's long enough for them to cool off.
So this is what they look like. These are our chocolate cupcakes. And I'm gonna put them all on this cooling rack right here. I'm gonna use a knife to kind of scoop them out so that they can cool. Thank you. They look pretty good.
Is your family coming over for Thanksgiving, Vanessa?
What?
Is your family coming over for Thanksgiving?
Say that one more time. I didn't hear you.
Is your family coming over for Thanksgiving?
I'm going to their house.
Going to their house?
Yeah. Okay, so
Baking food?
everybody's gonna bring a dish.
Bring a dish?
So for when we're frosting our cupcakes, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is my little trick to make them look fancy. But I put my frosting in a bag and then I pipe them the frosting.
That's
I'm gonna
nice.
do one because they're kind of hot right now.
Yeah, you don't want to buy yourself too.
I don't.
No. Because that's not good either.
Nope. Burns hurt. That's it. Of this bag.
We
All
talked
there.
about stay away from the stove.
Okay, so we have our frosting all in our bag. And what we do, we're gonna bring it all to one of the corners on the bottom, and then we're gonna cut it. So then it'll come out nice and even. I mean, you could do it with the knife as well. It just looks better when you do it like this. Either way, it's gonna taste the same. So I'm gonna press this one. So we're gonna go around without messing it up. And I even got some of these little Hershey bars. And
Oh, yummy.
I know these are going to be super chocolatey. You might need a glass of milk with these. Yeah. And we're just going to use one and we're going to stick it on top. And there you go. That is our cupcake. Hershey's cupcake. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate.
Hershey's cupcake.
Yeah. And that is it, guys. Anybody plan on making any chocolate cupcakes later? Maybe. They're super easy.